You're probably wondering how we got here. Well, between last episode and this episode, let's get caught up on how I have this massive pile of trash in my workshop. Alright, I just need to buy a new mic, that's fine. Alright, so here we are with a bit of a pause on things. We ran out of contractor bags for the rest of this mat, so my pops has run out to get those. We need some more rope for all this carpet, get that tied up. So now I'm gonna go around and use my crowbar to pop out all this old wood that they used to tack in the carpet. So nothing to it but to do it. And my mic broke, so yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, everything has been swept up, picked up. I vacuumed with the shop vac over everything after sweeping, and what we got going on over here is we bought, what is this called? Simple Green. It's supposed to help get rid of mold, mildew, anything like that. It's a disinfectant as well. So we're starting in the laundry room, scrubbing and cleaning everything, hopefully getting rid of the smell. And we will check in with you once we are done. Alright, as you can see guys, this laundry room looks significantly better. Obviously we mopped it after we scrubbed in the Simple Green. So we're gonna let that air dry now. I scrubbed in here with the bathroom. Pops is mopping it up because the wet vac is being not a good wet vac. But we're gonna pretty much end the day, because it's New Year's Eve, with getting the laundry room clean and the bathroom clean and this area in between clean, because those were the areas that got the most damage. Also, the Simple Green will help with the smell, but in the meantime, I got disinfectant. Dad, I already said that to them. Good talk. Anyways, we got Glade air fresheners in all of the outlets to try to help as much as possible. I'm probably gonna light some candles up top too, obviously, to get rid of the smell some more. You guys probably can't even hear me. 1 second. Also, in case anyone thinks so, this is not asbestos tile. This is that good peel and stick, high quality stuff. It's 12 by 12 tile. I had a friend who's worked in that industry of clearing asbestos tile. He says it's typically 9 by 9. This is just simple peel and stick. A lot of it was coming up when I was getting rid of all the tacks from the carpet. So, little update. We will probably be wrapping this up in the next clip or so. Actually, no, let's go check on the plumbing outside. So I was hoping to get some clips for you guys when they were out here redoing all the piping, but I couldn't. But essentially you can see where the excavator came, dug out all my old dirt, and then they went in, adjusted the pitch of the pipe, replaced the pipe as well, and then we got the cap on this. And over time, this dirt mound will go nice and flat. This is actually sand. So that's an update on all the plumbing stuff I got done. But next, yeah, okay, that's it. Done for plumbing update. Very expensive, but I'm glad it's done. Should have no problems going forward. All right, so as you can see, we have cleared everything. I'm gonna have to roll this rug up and throw that away because that's all in there too. We got a lot of water left in here, so my garage might stink, so that'll suck. But as you can see, here is everything out on the curb. That's a table somebody gave me to try to rework, but it's unreworkable. Today's trash day, that's done. And I'll give you a quick clip of the basement because that is also all done now. And here we are. The basement's all cleared out now. I'll move these back over to this side so it's not so cramped over there, but it's very echoey now. It smells phenomenal down here between the air fresheners and the green solution, the Simply Green. Let's take a look in here at the floor. Much, much better. Obviously those stains are in there from beforehand, but it's just peel and stick tile that I will cover eventually. Here's the bathroom as well. Much, much better. So the next thing we will have to do is probably demo out all this drywall. Maybe not this wall, because the water definitely soaked in on the insides here, as well as the outside here, and out over here as well. So that'll be done in episode 4. A lot got done here in episode 3. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It's New Year's Day, so have a happy New Year. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. We're on the road to 500 subscribers, and I'm doing a $50 Home Depot gift card giveaway once we get there. So I would love to be able to bless somebody's life with that. And that's it for today. Thank you again. Have a great day or night. Don't forget to keep God number 1. God bless.